Good morning, students. Welcome again in digital classes announcing by Bhagavad English Video Institute. And today I am here for class 6. And dear student, this is your chapter first, mathematics. And we have discussed about in previous video about the comparing numbers, number framing, expanded form, place value chart, and Indian and international system. Now again I am telling you, but before telling these contents, I would like to tell you that we have decided that whatever content we are providing to you, we have provided you in both languages, in Hindi and English. Okay, means bilingual we have provided our content, and using these contents, comparing number framing, expanded form, place value chart, and Indian and international system, you can solve exercise 1.1 and try these. Okay, I am telling you on time the syllabus according to NCERT. Okay, so in NCERT textbook, try this column is also given in your book. So solve it, and after that you solve exercise 1.1. Now today we will discuss about large number in practice, length, mass, and liquid. Okay, and these are very basic form because in our daily life we have used these number in practice. Length, how to measure the length, yeah, which scale we have used to measure the length, which scale we have used to measure mass, and which scale we have used to measure liquid. Okay, so dear students, in earlier classes I told you length we have measured in millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Okay, and where we will use, there are different type of conditions are given to measure the length. First, millimeter. This unit we have used to measure the small things, means the length that is minimum, and centimeter for upper limit of millimeter, means millimeter का हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं, वेयर वी यूज millimeter, जब अपने पास कोई भी ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट हो जो क्या है स्मॉल होता है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल अपने पास जैसे मिलीमीटर का यूज हम मोस्टली यूज करते हैं कहाँ यूज करेंगे बताओ. ऐसा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जैसे स्विच को हम मेजरमेंट करना है, अपने को स्विच मान लेते हैं, या अपने पास कोई छोटा वायर होता है उसको हम मेजरमेंट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, मोस्टली जो कारपेंटर्स होते हैं वो भी इसका मिलीमीटर का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, लेंथ और विड्थ मेजरमेंट करने के लिए. ठीक है, एल्यूमिनियम का जो वर्क करते हैं एल्यूमिनियम का, वो भी क्या करते हैं मिलीमीटर का यूज करते हैं. सेंटीमीटर का यूज आप कहाँ करेंगे? सेंटीमीटर का यूज आप करने के लिए थोड़ी सी अमाउंट क्या होनी चाहिए, ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. लेंथ ऑफ मार्कर. ठीक है, लेंथ ऑफ मार्कर को जैसे मान लीजिए अपने पास हम मार्कर को मेजरमेंट करते हैं, मार्कर को हम मेजरमेंट करते हैं कि इसकी लेंथ कितनी है, तो उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करेंगे, सेंटीमीटर का. ठीक है, सेल फोन है उसकी हम जब लेंथ मेजरमेंट करते हैं तो किसका यूज करते हैं, सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, बट जब सेंटीमीटर से लार्ज स्केल अपने पास आ जाए, सेंटीमीटर से लार्ज स्केल मींस लेंथ हमको थोड़ी सी ज्यादा हो, तब हम किसका यूज करते हैं, मीटर. जैसे मान लीजिए हमें मेजर करना हो क्लॉथ, ठीक है, रॉक, ये बहुत सारे ऐसे अपने डेली लाइफ में आइटम्स होते हैं जिनको हम मेजर करने के लिए किसका यूज करते हैं, मीटर का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, किलोमीटर ये डिस्टेंस होती है जो काफी ज्यादा होती है, जैसे डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू विलेजेस, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू सिटीज. ओके, सो उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं, किलोमीटर को यूज करते हैं. So now I'm telling you what is the relation between millimeter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, meter to kilometer. Okay. So first, dear student, we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. Everyone know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter means you can convert centimeter in millimeter and millimeter in centimeter. Basic form next. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And last one final for length. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. And these scales we have used in our daily life mostly. There are many scales. Okay, millimeter, decimeter, hectometer. These are there too much measurement scales are given, but millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer we have used in our daily life. So I am telling you about these. Centimeter, what is the relation between centimeter and millimeter? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter to 10, 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer to 1000 meter. Okay. For next, where we will use? Okay. And how can we solve these? Dear student, you can convert meter also in millimeter. Why? Because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So if you want to convert 1 meter into millimeters, so you have multiplied 100 by 10. So 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. In this way, you can convert all the measurements. Okay. And also you convert kilometer in centimeter. And no problem. Why? Because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. And if we remove meter and we want to convert in centimeter, so we have need to multiply by 100. So total 10000 means 1 lakh centimeter in 1 kilometer. I hope you are getting my points. Okay. Same next, mass. Mass means you can say solid. Okay. Volume. But volume is not, we are saying a mass, solid form. How to measure solid form? Okay. Solid forms we can measure in some scales. There are gram, milligram, gram, and kilogram. Okay. These are generally used in our daily life. And relation between milligram and gram, 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram, and 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. I hope you are getting my points. Okay. Means जैसे हम शॉप से क्या खरीदने जाते हैं, शुगर खरीदने जाते हैं. ओके. और जो हम बोलते हैं टी खरीदने जाते हैं, तो हम उसको किस में मेजरमेंट करके लाते हैं, बोलते हैं ना 1 kg शुगर देना. ओके. When we buy or purchasing any item that in shape of solid, okay, so which scale we have used here? Kilogram and gram and milligram. So milligram जैसे मान लो कि हमको स्मॉल आइटम क्या करने हैं, मेजर करने होते हैं. जैसे कभी कभी शॉपकीपर मेजर करता है उसके लिए. जैसे हम मान लेते हैं अपने फॉर्म में, जैसे हम बोलते हैं इलायची, ठीक है, और जो अपने बोलते हैं काली मिर्च वगैरह, जो स्मॉल आइटम मतलब कि जो हेवी आइटम्स होते हैं उनको हम परचेज करने के लिए, और जो स्मॉल क्वांटिटी उनकी क्या होती है, कम होती है, ठीक है, उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं, मिलीग्राम. और बेसिक फॉर्म मिलीग्राम आपने डेली लाइफ में कहाँ यूज होता है, मोस्टली हम देखते हैं टेबलेट्स, मेडिसिन की जो टेबलेट्स नहीं आती है उसमें जितनी भी टेबलेट्स आती है वो उनका वेट किस में मेजर करते हैं, मिलीग्राम में मेजर करते हैं. तो इस बेसिक से आप इस कॉन्सेप्ट को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं कि अपने को ग्राम कहाँ यूज करना होता है और किलोमीटर, मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मिलीमीटर कहाँ यूज करना होता है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट्स. मिलीग्राम मोस्टली यूज, जैसे कि अपने को डेली लाइफ में एग्जांपल्स मिलते हैं, टेबलेट है, मेडिसिन जो टेबलेट्स आती हैं उनको हम, जैसे आप देखोगे बैक साइड में तो उस पर लिखा होगा 10 ग्राम, 10 mg, सॉरी 50 mg, 100 mg, 200 mg, 500 mg. इस वे से उनका क्या आता है, वेट आता है. तो वेट, मास, वेट को सॉलिड का क्या होता है, वेट होता है. वेट को मेजर करने के लिए किसका यूज करते हैं, मिलीग्राम, ग्राम, किलोग्राम का यूज हम करते हैं. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट लिक्विड फॉर्म, जैसे अपने पास ऑयल आता है, पेट्रोल, डीजल, ओके, केरोसिन, और क्या है, वाटर, इनको मेजर करते हैं जो लिक्विड फॉर्म में होते हैं. ओके, उनको हम किस मतलब कि किस स्केल का हम यूज करते हैं, किस मेजरमेंट का हम यूज करते हैं, उसके लिए अपने पास आता है मिली लीटर, लीटर, किलो लीटर। सेम relation 1 liter equal to 1000 ml and 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. Okay, so in our daily life when we purchase again some items from shopkeeper, from shop, okay, suppose that we have purchased mustard oil, why we have buy what mustard oil, so which scale, which measurement we have used here, milliliter or liter. For mustard oil we have used liter, okay, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter, okay, but जैसे एग्जाम्पल मिलीलीटर का यूज कैसे करते हैं, जैसे सपोज दैट आपके पास एक कप है, उसके अंदर टी है, ओके, स्मॉल कप के अंदर आपके पास टी है, ठीक है, तो उसमें आपको क्या करना होता है, उसमें जो क्वांटिटी होती है लिक्विड फॉर्म की, जैसे टी की जो क्वांटिटी होती है उसको मेजर किससे करते हैं, एमएल से करते हैं, जूस, ठीक है, इसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं, मिलीलीटर, ठीक है। और जो हेवी जो लिक्विड फॉर्म होता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे अपने पास लिक्विड से फिल किया हुआ कोई भी अपने पास ट्रक होता है, ठीक है, अपने पास जो वाटर टैंक होता है घर पे, वाटर टैंक के अंदर जो कैपेसिटी आती है, जो उसके अंदर जब हम उसको पानी से उसको पूरा भर देते हैं, तो जो मैक्सिमम जो एरिया कवर करता है लिक्विड एरिया, ठीक है, उसको हम जनरली वॉल्यूम बोलते हैं, कैपेसिटी उसको हम बोलते हैं कि वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी क्या है, उसको हम किलोलीटर से ही मेजरमेंट करते हैं, ठीक है, कि कितनी किलोलीटर का आपके पास टैंक है, राइट। काफ़ी बड़ा लार्ज अमाउंट होता है, तब अब जैसे बेसिक अपने जो घर पे होते हैं उनको मेजरली हम क्या कर लेते हैं, लीटर से कन्वर्ट मेजरमेंट कर लेते हैं, कितना लीटर अपने पास क्या आ रहा है, वाटर है, इकट्ठा किया हुआ है वाटर टैंक, ओके। सो दिस इज द बेसिक फॉर्म टू understand the concept of length, mass and liquid, means length, weight, okay, and liquid. Now how to use large number in practice. So you have studied about the fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiply and divide. These are the basic forms, basic fundamental operations in mathematics, okay. And in our daily life we have used every day how to add the number, large number, how to subtract large number, how to multiply the large number, how to divide the large number. So I am telling you the use of these large numbers in practice form, okay. And after that you have solved exercise 1.2 in rough notebook, okay, and try to solve all the questions, try this also from your test notebook, and I hope you are getting my points properly, okay. And if you like my video, okay, then tell me, okay, write a comment also, because today I am telling you in both languages. Why? Because most of students are saying, sir, we are not taking full, we are not aware about contents that you are telling, and much more problems are there. So I have changed the medium of teaching. So today I am teaching you in only and only both mediums, okay. Now how to use large number in practice. Dear students, suppose that there is a population in a village. There are two villages, okay. Village A has population 1 crore 60, okay, 16,76,083, okay, and village B has 2,03,456, okay, otherwise 20,34,566, okay. So which village has more population and by how much? By how much? So in such type of questions, these are large numbers, okay. So according to question, what is saying this question? Again read the question. there are two towns, there are two villages, okay, in which one village in which in village A 1,16,76,083 people, and in village B 20,34,566 people. So by from both village, which village has more population and by how much? So according to question, first this question is saying by comparison, means first we compare the with population. So by comparison we will get village B has more population. Okay, so write the proper language of solution step by step. First you write population of village A. After that is 16,76,083. For next, population of village B 20,34,566. So by comparing it, we know that which village has more population. So you can say by comparison we can say village B has more population. Okay. After that, in this question asking by how much, कितनी ज़्यादा. So which operation you have used? Means ज़्यादा कितनी means you have need to subtract. Okay. So by subtraction, and you know that how to subtract. First large number we have put, after that small number. So 20,34,566 minus 16,76,083, and we have subtracted 6 minus 3 3, and 16 minus 8 8, 4 minus 0 4, 14 minus 6 8, 12 minus 7 5, 9 minus 6 3, and 1 minus 1 0, means 3,58,483 people are there more in village B than village A. So this is the basic form of large number in practice. Another example, okay, you can suppose that there are now telling example related to our daily life. So in our town there are two schools. In our town there are two schools. In school A 7,045 students, and in school B there are 12,654 students. Okay, so find out the total number of students in our town. So in this question total is coming, so we have need to add these two forms. So first we write number of students in town first, number of students in town second. Okay, I am writing here number of students in town A 7,045, and number of students in town A. Sorry, number of students in town A in school. Sorry, in school A and school B. How much? 12,654. Therefore, the total number of students. Therefore, the total number of students. So we have here 7,045 added to 12,654. What we get? 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 0 6, and 7 plus 2 9 and 1. So there are 19,699 students, okay, in our town. Okay. Similarly, we can use this language, these questions, large number in dotted form. Okay. how can suppose that in a factory there are in a factory there are 745 workers. Okay, if each worker earn Rs 225 per day, if each worker earn Rs 225 per day, so how much amount will be earned by 745 workers in one day? And I can extend this question for month and for year. First, in simple way I am telling, suppose that in the factory there are 745 workers. If one worker earns 225 rupees, okay, so what is the total earning in one day? So first we write the number of workers. So their total number of workers are 745. Each worker earns money. एक कर्मचारी कितना पैसे कमाता है? Rs 225. So total earning. So yeah, therefore total earning. So how much total earning? So for total earning, देखो बेटे ध्यान से देखना, each worker earns money. एक व्यक्ति कितना कमाता है? 225. So 745 कितना कमाएंगे? So which operation we have used here? 745 into 225. Find out the product easily and get the solution. Means now I am telling you 745 multiplied by 225. 5 5 are 25. 2 carry 5 to get 5 4 get 20 and 2 22. Again 2 carry 5 7 are 35 and 2 37. Now start multiplying. Okay, again by next one by 2 2 5 are 10. 1 carry 4 2 are added 1 9 0 carry and 2 4 7 are 14. For next we will use this digit. So 2 same number will come here. 5. Now after that add, because all digits we have used here. So 5 and then 2 now 16, 10 and 17 and 1 6 and 1. Okay, means total earning is 1,67,625 per day. So in this way you can use these numbers in our daily life. Okay, and for next and last fundamental operation is division. So I am getting the last and final example for division, how to use. Okay, suppose that there is a jar. Okay, there is a jar in which 25 liter juice is filled. Okay, there is a jar, large jar. Okay, there is a large jar in which 25 liter amount of juice is there. Okay, this jar is filled by 25 liter of juice. Right now, this is poured to glasses. This juice is poured to the glasses. Okay, means capacity of each glass is 250 ml. Okay, so how many glasses filled by juice? What I am saying again, I am telling you in Hindi. एक अपने पास जार है, उसके अंदर 25 लीटर जूस भरा हुआ है. इसको हम इस जूस से हम क्या करते हैं? ग्लासेस को फिल करते हैं. गिलास फिल करते हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट वाले ग्लास के अंदर 250 ml हमने क्या किया? जूस डाल दिया. फिर सेकंड वाले में क्या किया? 250 ml जूस डाल दिया गया. तो कितने गिलास हम यूज कर सकते हैं? कितने गिलास इसमें हम फिल कर सकते हैं? Okay, So for this we can use division. Why? But dear student, first again check. Here we have used my and here we are using liter. So we have needed to make same unit. Okay. So we have needed to convert. Means first we convert 25 liter in milliliter. So you know that 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, right? No. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So we have multiplied by 1000. Okay, and we have converted ml means total amount के total quantity in joules. Okay, in jar how much? 25,000 ml there. Okay, so now start our solution. This is the basic information related to question, because if you understand the question properly, so you can get the solution easily. Okay, now write the proper language. Okay, total quantity of juice in jar. Total quantity of juice in jar. How much? 25 liter, and you have convert 25 into 1000 ml. Okay, so we will get 25,000 ml. Okay, now next we have write the capacity. Quantity you can write, otherwise you can write the capacity, total capacity of jar. Total capacity, okay. Now you write here capacity of 1 glass. Capacity of 1 glass is 250 ml. Therefore, number of glasses. So number of glasses are there means कितनी ग्लास आ सकते हैं? सो वी हैव डिवाइड टू 25,000 बाय 250. सो वी विल गेट 25,000 अपॉन 250. हाउ मेनी टाइम? 25 25 one time. 0 to 0 cancel. So we will get 100 glass. Okay. Therefore we can fill 100 glass from the jar. And I hope you are getting my points. So in this way you can solve exercise 1.2. Okay, from your test notebook, and try to solve it like this. Okay, that is given in your book. And thank you for watching. And again, you have write your comment and tell me that how was our videos, and if you are getting any problem in